Hello everybody. So if you are having problems with Kucoin withdrawal or deposit, or you just wonder if they work, if you can deposit to Kucoin or withdraw, yes you can, and I'm going to show how you do it. So first go home, or if you are not still using Kucoin, link in description, and register and download the app and use it if you want. I'm using it, so do what you want, you know what I'm saying. All you have to do to withdraw is go to assets. Okay, now here's the thing that somebody have been having problem with, is that they don't understand that Kucoin has or multiple different wallets. So if you have your main and trading wallet, so if your cryptocurrency is on your trading wallet, you can't withdraw it, you can trade it. And when the cryptocurrency is in your main wallet, you can't trade it, you can withdraw it. Okay, so if you're having problems, you can't withdraw your funds, all you have to do is transfer it to your main wallet. So click the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, then click transfer, and then just boom, click all and transfer them. The transfer is free, and it instantly transfers. And now you have your cryptocurrency on your main wallet, then just click withdraw, and that's how it works. If you want to withdraw, let's say Bitcoin, all you just click withdraw and then paste the address, then the rest, you know what I'm saying. And if you want to deposit, just go to assets and click deposit and get the address where you can deposit. Okay, so that's how it works. That's how you can withdraw and deposit on Kucoin. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.